morning po, mga kadutdut. My friend Mike is there. He's visiting my home. Say hello, Mike.
Hey,
Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Put your tip. Oh, yeah. May ngipin na po, kadutdut. Ito, dinala niya yung ating mga red potato. May dala po siya. It's a big one, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I like this.
I think there's one more bigger than that.
Yeah, it's good for French fries.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, eh?
You don't have to peel it.
Where did you get it?
I got from Portage from Mayfair Farms.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When?
50-pound bag,
Yeah.
$15.
Oh, not bad, eh?
No.
Yeah, good, eh?
That's 30 cents a pound, not $1 a pound.
Yeah, I know. I make coffee for you, okay?
Where do you do that?
Yeah, okay. Ito,
Yeah,
kadutdut.
leave it about 15 minutes.
Pinagdala tayo ng ano,
May nakaready na tayo.
ng
Pero yung pong
patatas. Eh, gagawa po natin siya ng kape. Nagdala siya ng ano, patatas. Si paring Mike. Ayan si Mrs. Say hello ka. Say hello. Nahiya si Mrs. kadutdut kasi nagugas siya ng plato. Ito po pala yung sili natin, oh. Medyo nakaka-recover kasi nung umuwi po ako, medyo nasaktan siya siguro. Nanibago yung pagdilig siguro. Kaya hindi siya hindi natuloy yung mga naon ng ano niya, bunga. Pero ngayon po medyo natutuloy na. Ayan, oh, pakikita ko lang. Natutuloy na po siya ngayon. Hindi kagaya dati, wala siyang bunga. Good morning po. Dut. Ito, lalakad po kami ni Mike. Meron kami pupuntahan. Kasi meron kaming pinag-usapan ngayong umaga na iaayos namin. So hopefully maayos namin. Kasi tutulungan niya ako para ituro niya sa akin yung isang sawmill dito sa Treehern. So pagka ituro niya sa akin, may pakilala ko, mas mabuti po. So hello Mike.
Hello.
Don't shy.
Hey.
You and me, we have a YouTube channel right now. DUTDUT TV.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, that's from,
For the insurance or what?
no, well,
Like
it gives a kind of warning to bring it back to
oh,
replant.
yeah. That's the process.
Yeah, but that's 80 kilometers, so that's 3 years from now.
Every 80
that's-
kilometers, we have a pre-checkup or what?
Yeah.
Or pre-alignment? Why you remove? No. Don't worry.
No, I never worry.
Yan po. It's a manual, eh? Yeah. This house, Mike, is sold.
Hey?
It's sold already. The house.
Oh, I know that. Last year was on sale.
Last year. But
Yeah.
expensive, Mike.
How much?
Almost 200.
And he got it.
What?
He sold it for 200.
Almost 200. That way.
Yeah. My brother, they listed his house at 170.
170? Where?
Well, I showed you.
In Canada. Yeah. Look, the speed, eh? And what's your speed, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
100 km per hour. Papunta po kami ng Treehern. Pupunta po kami sa isang sawmill dito na kakilala ni paring Mike. Ito po yung golf course. Golf course ng Treehern. Very soon po marami maglalaro dyan sigurado. Yan, pagkatapos ng winter, ganyan po color ng Canada, color brown. So 1 month more, magiging green po yan, month of May. Kasi ngayon naglulusaw pa yung snow. Yun po yung pambilihan ng sasakyan. Yan, yan. Tapos ito yung kanilang Manitoba Hydro sa 3 So yan po yung pinaka-office nila. And then where's the place, Mike? There's this way? Oh really?
He owns all that.
Oh yeah. It's a public or private?
He owns everything. Fertilizer, propane, and
Oh yeah.
fertilizer, all that. They Simplot.
No,
He owns all that.
I mean to say it's a public
Okay.
public business or private? Yeah, they have a big log eh.
Yeah.
So it's a sawmill. It's a private mic or
I can go in the yard.
RM of South
He's in
Northport.
business, so
I think he's a public.
see how big trees he cuts down?
Yes, he's a
Big
public or
logs, eh?
I think it's a public or private.
This is a private business.
I
Hey,
hope.
look, right here.
Okay, go down.
Right beside me.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Who's the somebody to inform here? It's okay to going down? Or?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, okay, come. Oh. So ito yung mga kahoy nila. Oh, careful Mike, careful. It's a 2x6 Mike. It's a 2x6. Tingnan niyo po yung kahoy dito, ang laki. Malaki. I show him.
See, I don't know if the municipality owns it, but somebody told me that he owns all this. But this is RM are so powerful.
What kind of wood is
I
my?
don't know.
It's a big wood eh.
Oh, yeah.
Tingnan po ninyo, laki. Ganun lang ako, ngayon pa lang ako nakakita ng ganitong kalaking kahoy. Dito sa Canada. Laki oh. Paano hindi po malaki? Tignan nyo yung balat niya, isang ibla. Isang ibla, kasi laki ng mukha ko. Gaano kalaking kahoy yan. Isang ibla nito. Ayan o. Kaya malaking kahoy po. Ito yung sawmill na pinuntahan po namin. Laki. Gaano po kalaki to? Ito pakikita ko. Paano hindi malaki, mataas pa po sa akin. Ayan o. So ang bilog po niya mataas pa sa katawan ko. Sa height ko ang bilog niya. Yan po. Malupit ang mga kahoy dito. Mike, where's the saw? Where's the saw? Where?
Huh?
The sawmill, where? The sawmill. Mike, look. It's a big tree.
Oh yeah.
The size in my height, eh? Almost 6 feet height.
See, he's got some over here.
Yeah, a lot of log, eh? Ayan po. Ang daming troso.
I don't know where he moved the sawmill.
Maybe in the shop or whatever.
Oh,
I
I don't know.
don't know. Of course, during winter, bring in the inside, am I right?
He's got lots of slabs.
Yes. I think it's a government.
He's got lots of junk.
Yeah, I think it's a government property, Mike.
No, that's Timmerman.
No?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's a private?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
That's all.
Okay.
His son works with him. He's got a business. They got the fertilizer business.
Oh really?
I don't know where they moved the saw. Maybe he sold it.
Maybe in the inside. We have an office side, right?
Yeah.
Maybe go there.
You want to go to see him?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
A lot of bear, Mike.
I think the office is right here because
Ah,
see it right on
private
the
po
truck.
pala to, hindi siya public. So,
I think the office is right over here.
malaking business din to. Kasi sawmill niya malaki. Yeah, it's a big, we have a big yard, Mike.
Hey?
We have a big yard.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, the office
Okay.
there.
I think it's here, the office. I don't know.
Maybe go that way.
Right here, there's a door.
The other door.
Okay, I'll go that way then.
Yeah. Ang laki nito sawmill na to. Big rock, Mike. Big rock. Rock and roll.
Okay.
Oh, probably. Yeah, probably that.
So you want to
That
see the
place.
guy? You want to see him? Okay.
It's a big
I don't
sawmill.
know. Okay, you're gonna go in?
Down in Arizona, and he died from cancer.
Oh yeah.
And his wife shot that one and that one.
Probably how old that deer?
A deer, that's mule.
How about in the
That's
top?
a moose.
Moose.
That's moose up there.
Oh yeah.
And that's an elk. I got one up in this other building over here.
Yeah.
Now you're not taking pictures to scale the place and rob it?
Rabbits? No. What about this one? It's a eagle, eh?
That
Oh,
is
it's a owl.
That's a,
Can I take
That's
a?
a horned owl.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Tignan niyo po yung Philippine
And that's a Mexican saddle.
yata.
Right in front of you.
Buhay po yan, oh. Tignan niyo. Inano nila, pinatuyo nila. Oh boy. I like that.
Do you have a name?
Arlen, I have a furniture business in Ratwell,
Yes.
like make a wheel bench, you know the benches.
Yeah.
I make that, so I need some wood.
Well, listen, we can definitely, but it ain't going to be always the cheapest. Don't ever kid
Yeah,
yourself. But here,
can you get my phone number?
I'm going to get you to write that all on
Okay,
there, sir.
okay, that's fine.
Right there, and I'll
Okay.
call you when you can come. Oh,
AA Furniture, AA Furniture. 204 3. Yeah.
let me see if I can read it.
But
Oh, A&A
yes,
Furniture,
yes.
Rothwell, eh?
Yeah, I mark down in Ireland.
Arlen?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's my number. Okay.
Yep.
What's your name?
Marcel.
Marcel. Yeah. Okay.
Timmerman.
Shiverman.
Timmerman.
Do you have a calling card?
No.
No.
I
How about your horse?
in business for 50 years now, and I still don't have my, well, I did have an own card, but I'll get one.
Oh yeah, that's the family business or what?
Yeah, we got a family business.
How about your horse? Is a real or bronze?
Came from California, and I got one out of the ranch out.
Where? California?
Well, I brought this up from California, the horse.
Oh yeah.
He was in California, and then I got one on at the barn out there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, my one friend, he told me we have a sawmill in this place. That's why I'm here. So
So what kind of furniture are you making?
Wheel bends.
Hey?
Wheel bends.
Yeah.
I show you. Can I draw? And then I told you.
No, I'm busy out back right now. We're putting steel for that building,
Okay.
and I got a guy hired today, and I got to help him. But we'll get together. Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
See, my son is doing, and we're going to have a shop in town
Where?
here,
Where?
a store,
In the store?
and he's putting some of his stuff in there.
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't have much here anymore, but this is the wood he's working with right here.
Oh, the wood.
See, he's got all
What kind of wood this one is? A oak?
No, this is all cottonwood. That's cottonwood.
Okay.
That might be oak there. This is oak.
Yeah, it's a oak. The other one.
Yeah.
So
And
what's?
then we got them blocks right here, you see.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got this here, I can show you here. And we'll be selling some of it, and he's utilizing some. I don't know if I can give you, don't have much of it. Yeah, right here.
Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, you have some block.
Yeah,
What kind of wood this one?
that's cottonwood.
Okay.
That's all cottonwood.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How much? How much cheap?
They'll deal with you.
How about that one?
Well, that's all, yeah, we've got that all, that's drying it.
Okay. Okay.
We're just drying it right now.
Okay. Okay.
So you
Positive po yung pag-deal natin. So pinuto ko lang yung usapan namin sa mga private na usapan, pero positive. Mike, positive. The deal is positive.
Good?
Yeah, it's good. He's a good man, Marcel.
Yeah.
I talk Marcel. Family business for benches like that.
Yeah.
And then he said, you are the one guy to build your own house. Yes.
So he knows you.
Yeah, I think some guy in Ratwell or whatever.
Could be.
Yeah, it could be. Eh? But
That
it's,
might be his worker there, right?
yeah, he's an old man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's an old man. I
What's
think
his name again?
Marcel.
Martin Timmerman?
Marcel.
Marcel Timmerman.
Yeah, Timberman.
Yeah.
Yes, Marcel.
Oh, he knows everything, that guy.
Yeah, we have a big shop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then you need
He
some.
owns all that there too.
Yeah, and then he said you need some welder. But I said I'm welder. But I'm very interesting about lag.
Is that?
I'm very interesting about lumber.
Oh yeah.
Lumber's
You might
good.
get it cheaper.
Yeah, cheaper than store, eh?
Yeah.
Look,
Because it's all,
yeah,
you
look
don't pay nothing for the wood,
yeah, look this. Look the building.
I don't know if I can get it right around, I'll see. See, he's got all that stuff, eh?
Oh, yan katutot.
It's all paid for, eh?
Mhm.
He's been in business since he was young.
No, you know why the sawmill business is for the brother. It's not for Marcel.
Oh, yeah.
It's separate business. So the brother is coming this coming week.
Oh, yeah.
He lives in
Look at all this stuff.
Arizona, US.
Oh, yeah.
And then he said to me, maybe next week he give me a call. And then I set up the agreement or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
If you make an order, for example, you make an order 2x16x5, you make that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so no problem. And then he promised me give me a good deal. Yes.
With a tank behind.
Yeah. Tingnan po ninyo yung mga farm equipment dito. Gaano kaluwang sakop ng daan. Nasa sidewalk po siya, tapos nakasakay yung isang gulong niya. Yung isang gulong niya nasa isang lane ng daan. Sobrang laki. I think Mike is a tractor. I mean,
Something parked on the side, so I can't
yeah, we have a blade, eh? It's too wide, Mike. And we have a tank in the back. Tingnan po ninyo gano'ng kalaki. Okay. Sakop niya yun.
Move it.
Yeah, it's too wide. Yan po. Tingnan nyo, meron po siyang sign. Meron siyang parang convoy, backup. Yan, oversized look. Ganyan po yung mga farmer dito. Always keep po yung safety muna first. Kasi dahil napakalawak po ng sakop ng daan, so nagbibigay po sila ng advance convoy.
I'm going on 100.
Yeah. Ang driver ko kadut-dut malupit. Yeah, always 100 like. Eh? Itong edad niyang ito, nagpapatakbo pa ng 100. Sa atin, pagka matanda ng tao, hindi na pinagdadrive. Pero dito, dahil good condition pa si Michael eh, malupit pang magpatakbo. You know, that's why it's shut down, because the COVID.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that too, eh?
So all the business Mike last year shut down. You lose more money, am I right?
Oh, I know.
Ayan po yung shed ni Mike. Oh, yan, sa kanya yan. Tapos papunta rito sa eskwelahan, itong tapat ng eskwelahan. Yun yung bahay niya. Titingnan daw po namin yung meron kasing pinakukumpon nito sa camper niya. So titignan natin kung ano yun. Ito kasing matanda, gusto niya laging ayos. Wow, wow. Ayan, tingnan po ninyo yung kahoy yun. Sa ngayon wala siyang dahon, pero in the later po, mga 1 week or 2 weeks, lilitaw yung ano niyan, lilitaw yung kanyang dahon. Yan.
I wouldn't
Is your lot, Mike?
Eh?
Is your lot? Oh yeah.
right up to the trees.
You have a big yard, eh?
See like that corner needs to be fixed.
Oh yeah.
A little bit that I wouldn't get too fussy on that. It kind of broke off.
Oh
You
yeah.
know what I mean? I don't worry about that, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Just mend it a little bit. This corner's okay. Well, the wood is.
Oh, yan number na yan. Oh, kahoy po yan. Tapos ito yung vegetables shed niya. Yan. Ginawa ko rin po yan. Ito po kasi pagka oras ng panahon ng mga gulay, nagtitinda sila ng gulay dito. Ito yung kanyang yung kanyang pinaka-shed. Shed dito yung shop. Tapos may aircon pa, oh. Naka-aircon pa yung shed niya.
I buy some wood.
Oh yeah.
That's Kyle.
This Kyle? Kyle Wood?
Yeah.
How much every bag?
I don't know, $10 a bag, I think.
Oh yeah. Oh.
That's just for.
You have a car here or what? Is your car?
That's my grandson's car.
Oh, your grandson's car. Is yours, Mike?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The other one too.
Mm-hmm.
This guy just belongs to somebody else, you know.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Yeah, I'm going to take the disc out and use it as a tractor.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you have a big shop. Yeah. My place, Mike. And take
I got lots of tools here too, Rick.
what?
I got lots of tools here too, Rick.
Yes, yes, I know. Ayan po, ang dami niyang gamit, oh. Ito matanda. Actually, tingnan niyo po yung kapal ng
Hey,
snow.
lots of coochie coochie.
Oh yeah.
But she got too old and I got too old.
Oh yeah. How old that lady? How?
She's 74.
74?
She's a hard.
Pupunta tayo doon sa pamangkin ni Mike. Itong farm niya. Papasyalan natin siya. Ito yung Saint Claude. Kasi may alaga din po pala silang baka rito. Kaya lang, hindi ganun karami. Titingnan po natin kung ano itong mga alaga rito. So your nephew Mike is there or what?
I'll go in the yard after.
Oh yeah. Where's the farm? I like the farm.
Yeah, right here.
Maybe go to the farm. We have an antique wheel, eh? Yeah, look the wheel. Antique. Ayan po yun.
That's
Ayan.
my old yard.
Oh yeah. It's a big yard, eh?
Oh, yeah. Nice trees all the way around.
Yeah. How big the yard? How many acres?
154 acres.
154 acres.
Because the railroad took it.
Oh yeah, it's a big yard. Oh, we have a big dog, Mike.
Yeah.
White dog.
Yeah. And that's where the cattle are there.
Yeah,
I
where-
don't want to go
I
there
go
because
to-
it might get too many nails or something. I don't want to go.
Oh yeah, okay.
But that's there.
Maybe
There's
walking.
no basement here, but
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a nice big, eh?
Yeah.
Well, they have 7 children.
Yan po yung ano niya.
They have 7 children, 5 girls and 2 boys.
Kaso nagtrabaho
I
po
think
siya.
eventually he's going to make a road all the way on that side,
Mm,
you know, to go around.
yeah, I know. Kaso hindi tayo makapasok dahil nakalock po yung bahay. Pero bagong gawa po siya. Tapos
You don't hit anybody? Okay. Oop. Oh, come on! That's what I hate about some for shifting.
galing po kami sa farm ni Mike. Tingnan nyo naman karami yung truck namin. Nabalaon po kami kasi ang kapal, ang lalim ng ng ditch. So anyway po, buti kasama ako na matanda kasi itong truck niya hindi siya 4x4, 4x2 lang siya. Kung hindi niya ako kasama, ewan ko lang tatawag ito. So mga katutut, maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsubaybay sa ating mga vlog, at nagpapasalamat din po ako ng marami sa mga bagong subscriber natin. Please po, like, share and subscribe, and then click the bell button para po lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong video. So Mike, see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye bye.